Yes, be ready. Start. Sir, I am grateful to the honorable member who have made their contribution while discussing the performance of the Ministry of Commerce stop. Sir, this house has its own limitations, particularly in regard to the discussion of a subject with reference to the demands for grants stop. But we have been able to have a discussion on this particular ministry after quite a few years stop, and the advantage is that when the demand was discussed in the other house, after that the import export policy for the year 1998-99 was announced, the honorable members had the opportunity also to keep that policy at the back of their minds while making their observations on the functioning of the ministry stop stanza. Sir, it is known to the honorable members, so far as our international trade is concerned, the year which we just passed was really a difficult year stop. Naturally, the members have expressed their concern over the widening trade gap, the growth in imports being in the neighborhood of more than 20% and growth in exports much less than that stop. In absolute terms, it is not yet possible to indicate the firm figures stop, but the trade gap worked out to be anywhere between rupees 4500 crores and rupees 4800 crores stop. The reason is also known to the honorable members stop. So far as petrol and petroleum products are concerned, the full impact of the price hike was felt this year stop. Nearly 2/3 of total export earnings are being spent on importing petroleum and petroleum products alone stop. There too, the scope of maneuverability is extremely limited stop. As the honorable members are aware, the total import of petrol and petroleum products is almost inelastic for the last few years stop. In absolute terms, we are keeping the quantum almost at the same level, though we are paying much more, and that too, according to my assessment, is also irreducible minimum because we want to maintain our agricultural program. We have to energize our pump sets, and diesel is a must stop. It is necessary to maintain the national transport service and at the same time to provide kerosene oil to the large number of villages stop. Import of fertilizers is absolutely a must if we want to maintain our agricultural program stop. Therefore, the scope of extremely limited to reduce the import of petrol and petroleum products during the current fiscal year stop over.